Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to set up Windows without Microsoft account. First of all, do not connect to the network. If you are already connected, then either unplug the Ethernet cable or turn off the router if you have access to it, or just leave the area and reach some place where the signal of the router is unreachable. And once you do that, proceed with the following steps. First of all, use the combination of two keys, Windows and Shift and F10. Press Shift 10 at the same time, then tap on this CMD window and start entering the command OOBE /bypass and a row. So just enter this command that you see on the screen and press enter, and then wait until your device is restarted. Once your laptop is restarted, proceed in a regular way. So first select the country or region and click yes, then select the keyboard layout that you want and click yes once again. And if you want to add a second one, click add layout right here. Otherwise, just skip this step, and then instead of connecting to the internet, select I don't have internet option right here. On the following page, you have to provide the username for your account, then click next, and then you can enter the password, but you don't have to do that. So you can either enter the password and click next, or just click next to go to the following step. Then choose some privacy settings for your device. For example, location lets you get experiences like weather, directions, news, etc. Find My Device feature lets you find a device in case it's lost or stolen. Diagnostic data collects your data about your device's usage and sends it to Microsoft for research. You can type in sends data about your keyboard usage to Microsoft for research. Tailored experiences and advertising ID, basically just personalized ads for you. So just switch the toggles to the left next to the settings that you don't want, and then click accept. And then just wait until the setup process is finished. And once you see the desktop, that means that the setup process is complete. Right now you can click the three icons in the status bar to open the control center and connect to the Wi-Fi, or just plug in the Ethernet cable and download all the updates to complete the full setup of your device. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.